All right, so finish the mystery lab, ice mystery lab on the back of your Feeling Dense handout. And I got a spot for observations there, and then I'm going to talk about the Pepsi mystery lab as well, and you can use this video to help finish. So I got 2 beakers here, got some ice, grab some ice out of here. There we go. You're gonna make your observations right there in number 1. Drop an ice cube into this beaker. And drop an ice cube into this beaker. Get out! Get out! What's going on there? We got ice floating over in this beaker and ice sinking in that beaker. And go ahead and pause the video and write down why you think that happened. Now that you're back, I'm going to explain it. I use 2 different liquids here. I use rubbing alcohol and water. Rubbing alcohol has a density of less than 1 if you look that up on your chart, and water has a density of 1. Ice has a density of about 0.9, so it floats in the water. The ice again has a density of 0.9, but the alcohol has a density of 0.8. So the more dense object sinks in the rubbing alcohol. And you can use that to also talk about your Pepsi Mystery Lab. And you got the Diet Coke floating and the regular Coke sinking. And again, the Diet Coke is actually less dense than the regular Coke, and that's compared to water. And you can do the math calculations on your handout to prove that to yourself. They're the same volumes but different masses. The mass of the Coke is more because it has sugar in it, and the Diet Coke doesn't, so it has less mass in it, but the same size volumes. And it turns out that Coke is more dense than 1, and Diet Coke is less dense than 1. And so density explains why things float or sink in the case of the Pepsi Mystery Lab, or in the case of the ice in the 2 different liquids. Thanks for watching. You can finish up the lab.